Morning, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch, Tuesday, June 24, 2025. If you remember my yesterday's report on heat in the Canary Islands, there were only 3 detection points on one of the islands. This has now subsequently spread quite a bit to multiple islands. So yesterday I reported on only 3 locations, 1 and 2 others. As you can see, the spread is increasing. This was yesterday. They're all showing us yesterday. However, these were not here yesterday. I have the documented evidence. Actually, a lot of these could have showed up after my report yesterday. Yes, so this is the third one yesterday. This was like an hour after the first 2. Nonetheless, we have a substantial spread. Tenerife. This one and only this one could be industry related, not the rest of them. You know the routine. We're going to go over to Google Earth. So our first one is in this area. This was yesterday's. I covered it. So we have two here. One is up here. One is inside this open excavation. So that last one was right here, and then this one is here. There you go, folks. She's building up. Before I leave you, middle of the Atlantic Ocean, we have one. So this one is directly underneath the South Atlantic anomaly. There is one possibility that this one is not coming from underneath the crust, but rather space radiation detection point coming through the South Atlantic anomaly, which is an area of the weak magnetic field encompassing South America, Atlantic Ocean, and into West Africa. One more thing before I get back to my garden. Andaman Sea, north of Sumatra, where earthquake swarms starting up. There's a lot more than what's shown here in magnitude 5s. Shallow depths. Okay, folks. And of course, we're going to keep an eye on that Greek island with the major fires. And I'll be back